Okay, here we go. That is called chili con carne from McCormick's. This is the powder. You see that? Then we have diced tomato from, I think this is Spain or Italy. And then we use pork and white beans. Then we use garbanzo beans. And then we use kidney beans. And then we use the black beans. And then we have cayenne pepper. And then Spanish paprika. And then we use pepper or ground pepper, fresh pepper, ground pepper. And then I use 1 kilo of Lehmann's fresh ground beef, some bell peppers, garlic, and 2 different kinds of onions. We were out of the white onions. So anyway, I have over here, light the gas with a little olive oil in there, very little, like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. See this one here? Okay, and then I saute my garlic and then the red ones. And then over here the garlic. So we're making a chili con carne, which you can use like 2 or 3 times a week. Translucent that a little bit. I like to have a little bit more olive oil. Here we go. You make that translucent. Oh, that looks better now. See that? And I still have high flame. There you go. After this, I like to add the meat. There we go. Wow, that's a lot of beef. That's a lot of beef, huh? Yeah. See the ingredients over there, they're all imported from Italy, from Spain, and I mean from Brazil. The black beans are from Brazil, and this is just a very international chili con carne. So, what are you looking at? Fresh ground beef from Lehmann. I told you that. Lehmann and Magsaysay. Magsaysay, what's that called? Boulevard or Avenue?
Avenue. And
Avenue.
Also,
very good.
they have in your channel.
Here's next. The bell. Why did you stop it? No. Did you stop it? No. No. Okay.
Just tap.
Oh, really? I add the bell pepper. And then I use the tomatoes. Diced. These are the diced. Okay, this is the diced tomatoes. Yeah, add that. Actually, I'm gonna use a lot, so I'm gonna pour it, okay? So here we go. Half of this big can. Oh, now it looks already different here. Huh? No, it's getting there. Look at this chili con carne. Whoa, it's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. This amount. It will last you like 3 days. You cook. You can serve it with rice. We use a brown rice, black rice, or potatoes, and a little green salad, lettuce on the side. Here we go. Looks beautiful. So as next, I'm gonna add the garbanzo beans, and I drained the juice. I just want the beans. Here we go. There you go. One. We have the kidney beans, molinera, from Italy. We have the white beans. See, here's the white beans. There's some in there, hold on. Oh, I can get in there. Brazil, but there's salted, so I don't know if this is the only one I could get. Brazilian black beans. Huh? Okay. Look at the pot is getting full. This is for a whole army here. Huh? Looking good, huh? Okay, then I do the spices. I have here chili con carne spice from McCormick's. See, here we go. I put that one in there. That tasted really funny. It's just like cumin, something. Cumin in there. We use here cayenne pepper. I'll have to open that. Not too much because we'll taste it afterwards. And then we use a Spanish paprika. Oh, that looks beautiful. A little bit of that. And then we use a little bit black pepper. See? Black pepper. Okay. Ah, hachi. Mix it all together. And then we start the burner in the front. Okay, so we transfer to a low heat. Low heat, here we go. And let it simmer. We let it simmer for, at least an hour. And then we add more chili or paprika or pepper to taste. Maybe salt, but I don't. Well, we'll taste. Maybe I have here Himalayan salt. Here we go. Like I said, after 1 hour, you can also use a touch of red wine. That's a chili con